May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. Today, we delve into a beautiful aspect of Allah's nature, His role as Ar-Razzaq, the provider. This lecture will explore, through the light of the Quran and Hadith, how Allah sustains us all, filling our lives with blessings, both big and small. The name Ar-Razzaq appears in the Quran at various points, a constant reminder that provision comes solely from Allah. We recite it daily in Surah Fatiha. This surah highlights our complete dependence on Allah for everything, including our sustenance. Quranic verses on provision. The Quran overflows with verses that emphasize Allah's all-encompassing provision. Consider these beautiful reminders. And it is He who has created the heavens and the earth and has made for you from yourselves spouses and from the grazing livestock 8 mating pairs. He creates you in the wombs of your mothers in successive formations, in 3 darknesses. That is Allah, your Lord, the Creator of all things. There is no deity worthy of worship except Him. So how are you deluded? This verse reminds us of the intricate and miraculous way Allah provides for us even before we are born. Hadiths on provision. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, further emphasized the importance of trusting in Allah's provision. Here are a few narrations. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Seek provision from Allah with sincerity, and know that no wealth will come to you except what Allah has decreed for you." This hadith teaches us to work hard while maintaining trust in Allah's plan for our sustenance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "No one dies of hunger while there is food in Medina." This hadith, though specific to Medina at that time, carries a powerful message. Allah will not allow His righteous servants to starve if they have faith. Stories of provision. Islamic history is filled with inspiring stories that showcase Allah's unwavering provision. Let's explore a couple. Trust of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Mecca. During the persecution faced by the early Muslims in Mecca, food became scarce. Yet, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions remained steadfast in their faith, trusting in Allah's provision. And provide He did. Khadija, the Prophet's wife, used her wealth to support the Muslims, and food supplies eventually arrived through unexpected channels. The companions lost in the desert. A group of companions once lost their way in the desert, running out of provisions. Facing despair, they turned to Allah in prayer. Miraculously, a flock of birds landed nearby, leading them to a hidden spring and date palms, providing them with sustenance until they found their way back. These stories illustrate the power of faith and the unexpected ways Allah fulfills our needs. Living with trust in the provider. So, how can we incorporate this beautiful concept into our daily lives? Here are some ways. Gratitude, being thankful for the blessings we already have, big or small, strengthens our connection with Allah and opens doors for more. Contentment, recognizing that Allah knows what is best for us, even when things seem difficult, fosters peace and acceptance. Effort and trust, working hard while putting our faith in Allah's ultimate plan creates a healthy balance. Sharing and helping others, distributing our resources with those in need reflects our understanding of Allah's all-encompassing provision. Conclusion. By internalizing the concept of Ar-Razzaq, we cultivate a sense of security and trust in Allah's infinite plan.